Hello, my friends, and welcome back to my channel Thrive Talk English. I am Anaya. Today in this video, we are going to live our daily routine in English. We are not memorizing sentences today. We are using English while we imagine real life situations together. By the end of this practice, you will notice you can respond faster without stopping to translate. Fluency does not come from speaking perfect English. Fluency comes from continuing a thought without stopping. Today, we are not practicing English like students. Today, we are practicing English like real people. In real conversations, people connect their thoughts. They explain feelings, reasons, and situations in one flow. Short sentences help you start learning English, but longer sentences help you start living in English. Today, you're not just repeating sentences. Today, you're learning how to hold a conversation. So relax and let English come naturally. Let's start our morning. Every day you wake up, but your English is still sleeping. You don't need more books. You only need more moments. So today, we will live one normal day in English. Don't just listen. Live it with me. You are not behind and you are not weak at English. You only needed regular practice and a calm environment where you could try without fear. Here, you finally have that chance. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can comfortably follow every sentence. After each line, I will give you a small pause, and that is your time to pause and repeat. You don't have to hurry and you don't have to be perfect. So relax your shoulders, take a slow breath, and get ready to speak. Let's begin. I just woke up and I'm trying to start my day calmly instead of checking my phone immediately. I'm still a little sleepy, but I want to begin the morning with a clear mind. I open the window so some fresh air can come into the room and help me feel awake. I remind myself that a small practice today is better than no practice at all. While I'm brushing my teeth, I'm quietly thinking in English about what I will do today. I look in the mirror and tell myself not to worry about mistakes while speaking. I'm getting ready slowly because I don't want to rush the beginning of my day. I try to describe simple actions in English so my brain becomes used to it. I prepare a simple breakfast and sit down for a moment to organize my thoughts. While I'm eating, I repeat a few sentences softly so my speaking feels more natural. I check my schedule and think about the most important thing I need to finish today. I want English to be part of my normal life, not only something I study from a book. As I walk outside, I notice the sounds around me and try to name them in English. I see people going to work and I quietly practice short sentences in my mind. Even if nobody hears me, I continue speaking because this practice is for my confidence. I am learning to think directly in English instead of translating every word. I have many responsibilities today, but I still try to speak a few English sentences when I can. When I feel tired, I take a slow breath and continue practicing without pressure. I understand that fluency grows slowly, just like any other skill in life. I am not perfect yet, but I am clearly better than before. At the end of the day, I think about what I did and try to describe it in English. I may forget some words, but I keep speaking because stopping will not help me improve. I feel proud that I practiced even a little instead of giving up. Tomorrow I will speak again and it will feel a little easier than today. Today you didn't only listen, you actually spoke English. Maybe your voice was quiet, maybe it was not perfect, but you tried, and that is how real progress begins. Remember this feeling because confidence grows from small daily practice like this. You don't need long study hours. You only need a few honest minutes every day. And today, you did it. If you practiced with me, write in the comments, I practiced today. I read your comments and it motivates me to make the next lesson for you. And if this practice made your speaking a little easier today, you can leave a small like and subscribe to my channel. It tells me that you practiced with me and it helps me continue making these lessons for you. Your one click may feel small to you, but for me, it is encouragement to keep guiding you every day. It really motivates me to prepare the next practice for you. Thank you for learning with me. Take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.